Good morning, one and all present here with us today. We welcome you to a webinar by Rohit Housing in association with Spenta Corporation. I welcome you all to the Real Estate Conclave 21. Real estate sector is one of the major contributor to the Indian economy with 14 major sectors in terms of direct, indirect, and induced effects on all sectors of the economy. Real estate sector categorizes into four: housing, retail, hospitality, and commercial. The growth of this sector is influenced by the growth in the corporate environment and the demand for office space, along with urban and semi-urban accommodations. The dynamic of the real estate sector has changed in the last decade, as we might have witnessed. Post-COVID-19 pandemic, it has changed drastically, and this is in tune with the overall state of the Indian economy. Earlier, purchasing a house in Mumbai was a dream for many, but a reality just for a few. The property prices were exorbitant and way out of a common man's pocket. But thanks to the rising income of the people and consistent efforts by the government and developers, that it have been made possible for the people to purchase a house in Mumbai. Thus, with that note, I introduce you to the theme of our webinar, Next Gen Housing of the Future. Now, let me give you a brief introduction about Rohit Housing. Rohit Housing was incorporated in 1993, catering in the affordable housing segment as a real estate consultancy by Mr. Uday Veer Singh. Till date, the company has sold more than 20,000 flats and more than 200 commercials. The company has also forayed in the construction of the buildings under its associate company, Ahimsa Griha Nirman. The company is now diversified into a project management company. Now, the business of the company is headed by Mr. Rohit Kumar Singh. Mr. Rohit is having an experience of more than 15 years of experience across various sectors, that is sales and business development, research, content development, developing award model, and managing overall P&L for a business unit. He has been managing sales and operation teams, strategic client relationships, executing mission-critical projects, and ultimately driving business growth. Rohit is instrumental in leveraging his experience in B2B segment to ensure for a deriving value for each client, each business partner, employees, and other relevant stakeholders in a transparent and ethical manner. So without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Rohit Kumar Singh from Rohit Housing.
Good evening, friends. Thank you, Gargi. Real estate is among the globally recognized sector for contributing to the economy. The growth of this sector is well complemented by the growth in the corporate environment, and the demand for office space and residential as in the urban as well as the semi-urban accommodations. The real estate industry is ranked third among the major sectors in terms of revenue and employment. These sectors attract the major investment from NRIs, both in terms of short and long term. Mumbai is the one of the most favored property investment destination for NRIs, followed by Ahmedabad, Pune, Chennai, Goa, Delhi, and Dehradun. The real estate market is expected to grow by more than 65,000 crore by 2040, which will be picked up from rupees 12,000 crore as per the 2019. Retail, hospitality, and real estate sector are also growing significantly, provided the much needed infrastructure for India's growing needs. Most of the people from the rural or semi-urban areas migrate to metropolitan cities for better prospects and career opportunities, and finding a place to stay is the first thing on their mind. This is where real estate comes to the mind to fulfill these needs by reaching out to those who are constantly on the move. The lot of initiatives have been taken by the government to fulfill the needs of the housing, such as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Housing for All, and so on. Some of the unexpected, unprecedented situations can quickly shift trends in real estate even in the most stable times, which can be witnessed during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Since March 2020, when the nationwide lockdown was the first implemented, the need for better housing was highlighted. Amidst all the choice was created by the sudden announcement. It became evident that proper housing and home-related facilities meant better safety and security during such times. The COVID-19 pandemic managed to bring to light that more people are now looking for spacious and smart homes that can make their lives and overall household management easier and stress-free. With this context, we at Rohit Housing has tied up with Spenta Corporation for Real Estate Conclave 21 with the theme of Next Gen Housing for of the Future. Spenda Corporation has launched its project, the Ornata, which is situated in Chembur, has came with 1 BHK and 2 BHK at a very reasonable price. Chembur will be one of the biggest hub for the residents in the future due to its proximity to South Mumbai, BKC, Andheri, Panvel and Vashi. It nearly takes 20 to 30 minutes from here to reach any business hub situated in Mumbai.
We'll go ahead and I would like to introduce you all to Spenta Corporation. Spenta Corporation is transforming Mumbai's 12 million square feet into landmark residential towers, office spaces, housing complexes, and shopping arcades, each designed to alleviate the lives of those that live and work in them. Some of the most iconic real estate creations are across Portrait Street, Hughes Road, Altamount Road, Walkeshwar, Breach Candy, Tardeo, Andheri, Pavai, and Chembur, which were undeniable stamp of intelligent space planning. With that, I'd like to introduce to you Ms. Vamshi Ambati from Spenta Corporation.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dargi. Yeah, so I'm going to explain you about our project, which we are leading in Chembur. So that is the Ornata. Okay, like you correctly mentioned that it's been like more than 34 years in this industry, and we have sold 12 million square feet till date. So 6,000 happy families. So we feel really proud working with Spenta. So quickly, I'll just give you the glimpse of our project. I'm sharing the screen. I hope it is visible. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So Ornata, let's start with the location where it is located first. Yeah, this is the location. So this is centrally located in Chembur. So the landmark for this land parcel is Surana Sethia Hospital, which is visible here. Okay. So the reason why we say Chembur as a location, as a best location, or you can say a centrally located location, because from here you can navigate wherever you want to. For example, if someone wants to go towards South Mumbai, they can easily take this Eastern Express Highway and they can reach South Mumbai within 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, same goes towards your central suburbs, which is this route towards Thane side. Okay, moving on, if someone wants to navigate towards western suburbs, they can take SCLR or they can take BKC connector. So likewise, they can travel. The last one is your Navi Mumbai side. So if someone wants to travel towards Navi Mumbai side via Shivaji Chowk, they can easily navigate, easily travel. Okay. So the main point here is connectivity. So from Chembur, you can go anywhere. Okay. Second point is your monorail. So if you'll see in Chembur, there is like a monorail which is already active from Vadara to Chembur. You can use that transport also. Okay. So I'll just zoom this. So anyone, if they have any doubt, they can ask me directly. Okay. So this is a location hardly 4 minutes or 5 minutes away from Eastern Express Highway. So this is your Eastern Express Highway, and this is my project. So moving on, I'll just explain you a few other points. Let's see this site first. Okay, great. So this is my location. You can see from here, this is your Eastern Express Highway, your Suman Nagar flyover. So if someone who's coming from South Mumbai, they have to take this Suman Nagar flyover. Okay. From there, they can come down to our site. This is our site, which is like this Alta Vista, which is already delivered. Right now, we are talking about Ornata, which is this one. This is your Ornata, the corner one. Okay. So the purpose of showing this 360-degree view is to understand the view, what sort of a view you're going to get. So this is the exact view which you're going to get. So the main point is you're going to get an unblocked view, unobstructed view, you can say. So from here you can see Bandra, Worli, Sea Link, then you can see BKC connector, you can see BKC also. So the entire stretch is open. Okay. So I have one walkthrough video which shows about like the interior things, what we are going to here. I've like explained you the location like from where you can come down to our site. Then talking about the Ornata, the project itself, it's a 26-story tower in which you have 1 BHK and 2 BHK. So we have combination also, right? So the architect for this project is Hafiz Contractor. So very famous personality in real estate industry, you can see. Talking about amenities, which is really important nowadays in like any project, if we see. So our all amenities comes on rooftop. So here, if you'll see this picture, here I have banquet hall, gym, a barbecue area, stargazing place, yoga pavilion, infinity pool, meditation cabana. So the entire area for clubhouse, for the clubhouse is around 6,500 square feet. And the reason why we kept on rooftop is, first point is privacy. So we wanted to give privacy because our tower is like next to your under construction road, which is an upcoming road by BMC. So we wanted to give privacy as much as possible. So that's the reason we have designed in this way. And second point is your view. If someone is like using gym or if someone is in banquet hall, for example, they can see entire Mumbai, entire South Mumbai, like BKC, then you can see Worli Bandra Sea Link, your freeway. So that was our vision. That's the reason we kept all our amenities on rooftop. Okay. And then moving on, I'll just show you what I have right now. So I just want to show you in a walkthrough video. It's about 2 BHK. So what we are offering here, like exactly. So we are not giving you a 1 BHK or 2 BHK or a bare shell or a warm shell. We are offering you a fully furnished apartments here. So you can see this video. I'll explain you what I'm offering you. So this is common to all the residents, all the typologies, whether it is 1 BHK or 2 BHK or a Jodi. So this is your entrance. So in kitchen, our core focus was to give a modular kitchen. So I'm giving you an entire done up kitchen. For example, your lower cabinets, your upper cabinets, your chimney, hob, etc. So I'm even offering you white goods, which is your microwave and your double door fridge. Then I'm going to offer you a washing machine also. So this is how it will look. And in every room, like in every, like for example, living area and both the bedrooms, I'm going to offer you like a split AC, which is this one. So apart from white goods and all, what I'm offering you additionally, you can say, is furniture. So talking about living room, living and dining room, I'm offering you a 4-seater dining table. Okay. Apart from that, a sofa set here. You can see this. This I'm going to offer. Moving on, let's see the master bedroom, how it will be, the quality and all. So you can see full length French windows here. And here I'm going to offer a queen size bed, which will be this. Apart from that, air condition, you can see a split AC. Moving on, there will be a wardrobe also, which I'm going to offer. Let's see the washroom. So this is how your washroom gonna look. So this is your shower area. So entire setup will be done from our end. So you can see this is your sink and you have a WC here. So this is common in both the washrooms, and the size of both the washrooms, if you'll see, it's exactly same. So it's around 30 square feet. So we didn't compromise when it comes to washroom. Like you've seen other development, your master bedroom's washroom is big as compared to your guest washroom. So here we have kept like same thing, like no changes in washroom sizes. Let's see the kids room. This is just an example how it can be, like it can be kids room or it can be a work from home space, etc. So here also air condition is common. Then here you're going to get a bed, which is not present in this VSG. So again, you can see the area and all the quality, the amount of efforts we have taken to build this. So moving on, I'll just show you the layouts, the unit plan, which I have right now. Okay. So talking about Ornata, if you'll see, I have two wings in this tower. So first wing name is Sapphire, which we have launched right now. So in Sapphire, I have 8 residents on per floor. So I have 2 clusters. Like you can see, this is first cluster. In every clusters, you have 3 high-speed elevators. You can see here 1, 2, 3, and you have 4 apartments. Okay. So in this layout, you can see there is a combination of 1 BHK and 2 BHK. So the 2 BHK size is around 463 carpet area, and your 1 BHK is 345 and 362. So you have 2 options here. Okay. Talking about second cluster, which is this one. Here I have only 2 BHKs. So 4 apartments, which is of 2 BHKs. Here you can see you have 3 elevators, 1, 2, and this is your fire elevator. So put together, you have 8 apartments on 1 floor and you have 6 high-speed elevators. You can see the size of this variant, which is around 537 and 531. Your 2 number and 3 number series. You'll see 537 and 531, and the rest apartments, if you'll see, it's around 463 carpet area. Okay. So this is a structure where you can see the lobby space is huge, and you have a staircase, you have a fire elevator. So we have properly designed, like the architect, which I've talked earlier, Hafiz contractor, he had designed it very precisely. Okay, let's see the layout, what we have launched in this launch. So if we'll see, this is your 2 BHK, a 531 variant. So in this also, if you'll see our layout, it is like smartly, or you can say optimizedly utilized. You can see there is like 0 wastage in this layout. So you have a living and dining area, which is around like close to 190 square feet area. Okay, this is the one. And then you have a separate kitchen. If someone who likes to have a separate kitchen, they can go for this option. And then you have a guest bathroom, which is this. So notice this thing, your guest bathroom and your master bathroom, you can see this, those are like same size. Hello. Yeah. So both the washroom sizes, you can see both are like same sizes. Okay, and then you have two bedrooms. One is for obviously for master bedroom, and the other one is your secondary bedroom, you can say, or you can say a guest bedroom. So this is one variant which I have, and the other one is, I'll just show you, which is this one. This is your second variant when it comes to 2 BHK. Here you can see this layout is like completely smartly utilized. Seeing the area, seeing the carpet area. In this carpet area, we have given you a 2 BHK. You can see you have a living and dining area which is around 140 square feet. Then you have an open kitchen concept. So this apartment, if you'll see, it's a studio apartment where you have an open kitchen which is around, you can say, 35 square feet. Again, the main point here, like giving this layout, like structuring this layout like this, is to give you a modular kitchen, and then like fully done up kitchen, you can say. Along with that, I'm giving you a white goods, then furniture also. So entire residence is like completely done up. You have to come with, I mean, with clothes, you can say. That's it. Everything will be provided from our side. And the major focus, like if you'll notice this area, the duct area in 463 carpet area, this is around 30 square feet, which is an additional area and which is a free area, which is not chargeable, which we are going to provide. Here you can place your washing machine, and if you want to like utilize this area, you can utilize for storage purpose. The entrance for this area is this door from your washroom, the common washroom, we can say. So put together, you can say 463 plus 30 square feet. The total carpet area you're going to get is 493, close to 500 square feet. So which is a good deal, you can say, in this. And moving on, I have one more thing which I have to share, which is this one. Yeah. So this is your 1 BHK. This is around 362 carpet area. So if someone who is like looking for 1 BHK, want to upgrade from 1 RK, they can go for this option. Again, same concept, open kitchen here. But if you'll see the size of this kitchen, it's around 88 square feet, which is a good number. If someone wants like luxurious kitchen, they can go for this option. And here also, I'm going to provide 2 washrooms, again same size. Then here you're going to get a 20 square feet duct area. I mean, you can say a dry balcony, which is openable from here. So 362 plus 20 square feet to put together 382 carpet area. So again, living dining area, and then you have a master bedroom, everything remains same. So these are the options I have at Ornetta. Okay. So this is something which is common in any, like if you'll go to any development, this layout, this unit plan, everything is common. But now I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why someone should purchase in like in the Ornetta. The first point is connectivity. Okay. Like Chembur, if you'll see, it is centrally located. From here you can navigate, like I said earlier. So that is first point. Second point is appreciation. So if someone is like investing right now, for example, this is the correct time. Okay, because of pandemic, the real estate rate, I mean, real estate got a big hit. So this is the correct time if someone wants to invest in real estate. So appreciation means next 5 years or next 10 years, what will be the appreciation for my this typology or this unit. So you're going to get the benefit. I'll tell you the reasons also. What will be the reason? So this is a doc, I mean, which talks about appreciation of Chembur as a location. Okay, so these are the parameters. So this is done by Colliers. It's a brand, it's a research company which does a research. Okay, so the very first parameter they say is a BKC connector, the bridge which connects your Eastern Express Highway to your BKC. So this is the first point I want to like say why your Chembur area gonna get appreciation like in next 5 years or 10 years down the line. The second point is your under construction road, which I'm going to show you after this. The video I have a drone shoot video which I'm going to show you. So there is a road coming up next to Ornetta. okay, which is going to connect from VN Mark to your Jama Suites, or you can say Chembur camp. So that is also very important point, you can say, because after this road is live, it's a, by the way, it's a 4 lanes, it's a 120 feet wide road. Okay, so there will be a huge demand of our property after, like you can say, 3-4 years down the line. And third point is slum redevelopment. Obviously, here right now at this place you have some few hutments which going to move towards your Maul village. So they already got a notice from BMC, so they are going to move towards Maul village. There is a structure which is ready, that they're going to move. The fourth point, if you'll see, is monorail phase 2. So currently, in Chembur, you have phase 1, which is already active. So this is phase 2, which is already proposed, and it's gonna happen. So you can see the station also from Chembur to Jacob Circle. So this is something. I mean, one of the reason of looking, you can say, appreciation wala thing. Moving on, this is something which I personally believe, which is metro. Very important point, because if you'll see metro line number 4, which is the last one, which starts from Vadala, it's gonna end at Thane. Okay, the nearest station for our project, you can say, is Suman Nagar, which is next to our land parcel only, hardly 7 to 8 minutes from our location right now. So just imagine when this metro line will be operational, you can say hardly less than 10 minutes, you have this Suman Nagar station, which is accessible. So these are the parameters. These are the parameters, you can say, why my property value going to increase in next coming years, or you can say 10 years, 15 years down the line. So this is one point. Connectivity is one point. The third point I want to say is the lifestyle. Okay, why I say lifestyle? Because Spenta had delivered high ticket size project in South Mumbai, like Altamont Road, Warden Road, your Walkeshwar, etc. So there the ticket size was around 4 CR to 82 CR. So the amount of lifestyle which we gave there, already delivered projects, same thing we want to give. Like right now we are expanding to, like, the expansion is going on in Spenta, Chembur. In Chembur we have project, in Thane we have, in Juhu, etc. and all. So same quality, the lifestyle which we have already delivered, we want to give here. So that is one point, the third point. And the last point I want to add is your living spaces. If you see the entire concept, I mean, this layout, this one, any layout, firstly I said zero wastage. Secondly, it is smartly designed. Okay, so there is no compromise when it comes to washrooms or bedroom. All the sizes, if you'll see, I'm going to like we are providing a decent size. And apart from your rera carpet area, in every typology, I'm going to give you a duct area, or you can see a dry balcony area, which is free or not chargeable. So this is something I can say, like, these are the 4 reasons I can say why someone should go for Ornata. So yeah, so this is about Spenta. Like if anyone has any question, they can ask, or they can visit our site. Here we can actually show you the like entire process, what we have and all. Before ending my presentation, I have one video which I want to show. Just a second, let's just play that. This video talks about your under construction road which is upcoming, and this is really important. Everyone should watch this video. Yeah, I hope it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now if you'll see, this is your Eastern Express Highway. Okay, and those are the towers. Those are the Spenta Star, which is already delivered. People are staying there. OC received towers. This is your Suman Nagar flyover. I was talking about this flyover only. If someone is coming from South Mumbai, they have to take this flyover and they have to get down at this side. This is your Surana Sethi Hospital. And from the main signal, they have to take a U-turn and they can reach to our project. Okay. So if you'll see in this video, you can see the Ornata, which is here. So this video will guide you how your under construction road is coming up. So right now, if someone comes to our site, they have to take this route, which is like next to Surana Sethia Hospital, or you can say Indian Oil petrol pump. This is the landmark. But later in coming years, you have to take this route, which is an under construction road, already started. 40% work has been completed. You can see in this video clearly. See, and it's an 120 feet wide road, 4 lanes road. So this is your Alta Vista, which is already delivered by Spenta only. I'm going to talk about Ornetta, which is here. Like I said, it's a standalone tower, 26 floors. And very important point I remember right now, 26-story tower, when I said this is the tallest tower in Chembur, because the second tallest tower is 23rd floor, which is Alta Vista only. So this is the tallest tower right now. So this is your Ornetta. In front of Ornetta, you have this under construction road. So all your residents, all those residents who are staying right now, they already got a notice from BMC and they are going to move towards Maul village. Okay. So this is your Sindhi society. Backside of our tower, you have a Sindhi society. Then this entire patch, if you'll see, this entire patch is already cleared. Like I said, 40% work has been completed. Here, there were like residents. They got moved to Maul village. This you can see. This is your Swami Vivekananda College, and this is your Jama Suites. So very important point I want to add why this road will complete in 2 years or 3 years down the line, as per our expectation. You can see this land parcel, this green area, and the other 2 patches. This is also already taken by one developer, and he wants to construct, like, I mean, he wants to develop this land parcel. Again, he wants to go for residential part only. So this road, the decision by BMC, it's a collective decision by politicians and the developers and the BMC. Why? Because when there will be like you can say roughly around 1500 apartments, the your navigation part, or if someone wants to commute, it will be a big trouble. So that's the reason BMC came up with this DP plan, which is in this 120 feet road, wide road, which is already started. In this pandemic also, within like 1.5 you can say 1.5 years, they have completed from like this stretch to this part, already completed. So our expectation, if you ask me, it's around 3 years from now. And the delivery of Ornetta also, it's around December 2024. Anyways, it's gonna take at least 3 years down, time from now. So same calculation we have put in, and this road will be done up till then. And you're going to like, get a good, you can see the navigation part from Ornetta. It will be you can say from Ornetta, it will be hardly 5 to 6 minutes. But if you want to connect towards your Eastern Express Highway, and if someone wants to go towards Jama Suites, it's gonna take at least, like right now it takes 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. After 3 years, it will be around 10 minutes from our location to your Jama Suites. So directly you're gonna reach towards your Chembur camp, and here you can see your monorail station, which is your Fertilizer Township. So this monorail station line is already active. You can see. Yeah, I was talking about this Fertilizer Township monorail station. So this is about Ornetta. Yeah, if anyone has any doubt, they can ask me. Gargi, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And
Thank you so much, sir.
yeah.
So Ornetta does look very spacious and beautiful, and
Yeah, so I wish like everyone should visit our site, and they can like actually experience our entire process, so that they'll understand really well, and then they can see the actual site, how it will be. Okay, then only they'll understand I mean the actual potential of this product. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So if anyone has any questions, you could direct it to Mr. Ambati right now. And please be sure to check the website if any questions pop up later on. So thank you everyone thank you to our patient audience and our revered speakers for their valuable time. And we have definitely had a great insightful webinar today, and I'm sure we share the same opinion with everyone. So with this, we'll be wrapping our event, and be sure to check their website. Thank you.
Yeah.